Hey everybody, welcome to our cooking channel Pans and Knives.
In today's video, we'll be making chili basil eggplant. So let's get into the recipe. Step 1. Let's begin with chopping the vegetables. Begin with eggplant. Cut them into dices. Followed by 5 to 6 green chilies. Split them into 2. Along with red chilies, split them diagonally. Moving on to the next, garlic. Chop them into small pieces. And follow the same with ginger. Lastly, coarsely chop the basil leaves. Moving on to the next step, let's stir fry the vegetables. Heat the wok, add some oil and then add eggplant. Make sure you stir them continuously, and within few minutes you will notice a color change. That's when they've been properly cooked. Keep them aside. Now add oil into the same container so that the flavor gets infused into it. Then add red and green chilies and ginger and garlic. And saute them on a high flame till garlic turns brown. Then add eggplant that we had cooked previously and stir them properly. Then add approximately 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And about half a cup of water. Maybe some more water. And bring it to boil on a high flame. If we bring it to boil on a medium flame, then the eggplant will become mushy, which is what we exactly have to avoid. Also add salt. Lastly, add basil leaves and saute it for a bit. We also added cornstarch slurry to thicken the gravy. And after 5 to 7 minutes, it is ready to be served. Let's plate it. It just smells incredible. You have to try this recipe. You can either try it with a rice or a fried rice, whatever you like. And meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Pans and Knives.